Hello folks, welcome back. Friday afternoon now, still windy. Everyone's been working a bit like mad today to get a few things done. So, out in the car park, sorry if it's really windy, it's still windy like it was earlier today. We had this car, hang on, bear in mind. Right, so this one's this car we've done quite a few things on over the years, but as you can see, it sprung a bit of an oil leak. So that was a surprise visitor today. We'll be dealing with that one next week. We'll work out what's wrong with that. Woohoo! That one, I put that on the website. I don't know if you can hear any of this, but I put that on the website this afternoon. So that's on at the time of recording this, but probably been on for a while by the time you see this video. This car's in, we'll be getting on with that next week, doing various works, doing seals, servicing that out. Let's have a look at the other side. Yep, and that there, so that'll be in next week, you'll be able to see that getting done. Right, let's head out of this wind and back into the workshop. Man, it's horrible here at the moment. I think the winds are like 56 miles an hour or something like that. Look, that's how bad it is. I cleaned that this morning and it's already covered in dust. Annoying. You alright, Ash?
Alright.
What are you doing?
Washing the car.
Washing the car. What's that? That was an underseal, wasn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah. And on this one we also went a bit further on this one, taking off the rear bumper.
Yeah, off the rear bumper and
the rust behind that.
The bumper carriage, did the rust behind there.
Yeah. Okay. We done tomorrow? We done tomorrow?
Well, this?
Yeah.
Yeah, I should be able to wash it by tomorrow.
Great. Alright.
And I've got a good fair few hours left.
Let's see how Roy's been getting on today. How's it going, Roy? You haven't? Well, you've been napping.
Huh?
You've been napping.
All time.
It appears to have an arch now.
Yes. Yeah, so this side's done.
Just send it out.
Yeah, done.
Yeah.
Finished.
Alright. Good colour match.
It is, isn't it? No, so this was done. I was going to work from side to side, but I thought just get
Yeah.
this side done. So this one's done.
Alright.
And the other side is now structurally sound. So,
You empty your bin, Roy.
yeah, I know. When you're working flat out, mate, that's a Saturday job, it's fine. So, yeah, cylinder
Alright, so this morning none of that was there, was it?
No, none of it. So we have cylinder plate. You see where it's been plug welded.
Yeah.
Inner seal's now on and welded and ground back. And the rear box section has just been finished.
Very nice.
So now I need to rebuild the inner arch
Yep.
and then outer panel. Be done Monday.
Ready to go tomorrow?
Yeah.
Alright,
Yeah.
latest.
So,
Ashley's done nothing on that. Still the same as it was this morning. And this is there's a space over here on Grant's ramp. What have you been doing, Grant?
Well, funny enough, the same as it was this morning, different car.
Yeah, there was a car that came in this morning, which was a service MOT. It's just gone back over for a retest because we had to emergency sort some stuff out for the MOT. But yeah, that's hopefully going if it passes. This one, so from this morning, now got windscreen in it, and just various other bits and bobs have been going on. I can't quite remember what was and wasn't on it this morning, but it's slowly going back together and hoping to leave us next week. So that is it for this update. Getting shorter, aren't they? Only 4 minutes for this one. There's not a lot I can talk about that's only happened in 6 hours or so. Alright, so we will catch back up probably from our point of view. It'll be Monday afternoon, I reckon. Alright, have a good weekend. If that's relevant for when this video goes out, probably isn't. Anyway, take care, catch you on the next one. Bye bye.